Hello art lovers! Welcome to my free drawing tutorial channel. In this video, I show you how I drew this eye. Remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos. Well, first I mark the frame around the drawing with skin tape and use the edge of the ruler to make sure the lines are smooth. To start, I draw the light lines with a mechanical pencil and the dark lines with a charcoal pencil. Make sure that the thin lines are added exactly as we see in the main photo. When using a charcoal pencil, I increase or decrease the pressure of my hand depending on how dark or light or how clear or blurred the lines are. There is a lot of darkness behind the eyelid, so my hand pressure is also high and I create a dark line, but for a line like the line around the iris, my hand pressure is low. I use a soft, flat brush to blur the lines. To create thinner lines, I taped the brush around and made it more focused. I dip the brush into the charcoal powder and add grays, and wherever necessary, I use a charcoal pencil for dark grays and a simple pencil or mechanical pencil for light grays. I use a round brush number 50 for very thin lines like eyelashes. I carefully draw all the eyelashes as I see in the main photo. I also use a charcoal pencil to draw some lines here. I carefully blend these lines with the brush. And then use a hard flat brush number 6 to draw shadows behind the eyelid and around the eye. I also add shadows with a filbert brush number 6 and charcoal powder. The best brush for adding shadows with charcoal powder is this filbert brush. After adding the surrounding shadows, I move on to parts of the hair, finger, and fabric design to make the outline more defined. I repeat that I use a mechanical pencil for the light lines and a charcoal pencil for the dark lines. I draw the outline of the finger, hair, and fabric. I will be posting over 100 hours of videos on how to draw different fabrics and textures in real-time videos. I also create a general shadow on the fabric to define its texture. I outline the eyelashes with a charcoal pencil and draw the general shadows with a hard, flat brush, number 12, to fully define the lower eyelid. Before moving on to the upper eyelid, I draw the eyebrows with a charcoal pencil. I draw each individual eyebrow hair with exactly the same shape and size as the original photo. Here too, I increase or decrease the pressure of my hand, depending on how dark or light the eyebrow hairs are. The important thing is that you should use thin, double-sided lines. Take some time to practice thin, double-sided lines on white paper. This technique is very, very important when drawing eyebrows, eyelashes, and hair. After adding the lines, I slightly blur the lines with a soft, flat brush. I also draw the shadows between the eyebrow hairs. For the part that needs more darkness, I use a brush and a charcoal pencil at the same time. I also create an overall shadow with a hard, flat brush, number 12. To create the shadows of the eyelids, I use a filbert brush. Wherever necessary, I rotate the cardboard so that I can add shadows and details more accurately. And now, with a filbert brush and a charcoal pencil, I create shadows of the finger and its surroundings. I check the overall shadows again and go to the eyebrows. I need to add some darkness here, like the lines below and above the eyebrows. I create lighter lines and textures with a mechanical pencil. Now I go to the lighting, and with a mechanical eraser, I draw the lights and light streaks that I see in the photo with this eraser. As you can see, there are also skin textures around the eyebrows, which I create with a paste eraser and a mechanical eraser. I continue like this and go lower. I also use a pencil eraser and paste eraser wherever necessary. I add any texture that I see in the original photo to my painting using this tool. I also create the lights on the fabric in the work and redraw the darkness wherever necessary. Everything we do in these steps is a skill that you have to practice over and over again. I also add the hair with a charcoal pencil and then blend it in with a flat brush. After adding these shadows in the hair section, I move on to the next step, which is drawing the iris. I draw the fine details with a mechanical pencil and the rest with a charcoal pencil. In order to draw the iris realistically, we need to add details layer by layer. I draw these details carefully and layer by layer with a soft brush, a hard brush, and a charcoal pencil. I use a mechanical eraser, a paste eraser, and an electric eraser to create the lights, and repeat all these steps again from the beginning. If you want to become a professional in this art, you need to be very careful, patient, and get used to this repetition. I check all the shadows once again and add more darkness wherever it needs to be. For these shadows, I use a round brush, size 50, and a charcoal pencil at the same time. I carefully examine the fine details, such as the eyelashes. I check the size of each eyelash and the light created inside the eye. And I draw the scattered hair strands that are created on the eyelid or the lower part of the drawing with a 50 round brush. I hope you enjoyed drawing this eye and learned new techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. See you in the next video, my friend.